Hi, so we will talk about the chain rule. I also have put uh, this concept of the chain rule so that we will just continue in the examples on um, derivatives so we can easily understand what is the chain rule is. So as you notice, so if u is equals g of x and y is equals to f g of x, then dy over dx would be dy and so forth, so on and so forth. So let's have our example in which let's differentiate y. Differentiate y, which is 4x plus 3 squared. And so this is our given. So since we have this, we will gagawin natin yung power rule in which sulat natin dito again. Equals C2, sulat natin sa front. Diba? Tapos diba ganun sa power rule? In which ito lalagyan natin sa unahan, then maminusan natin siya. Tama? So 2, susulat natin itong nasa loob, in which 4x plus 3. 2, sulat natin ulit, minus 1. Yan. Tapos, para yung derivative ng 4x plus 3, ang derivative niya is itong 4. So, susulat lang natin muna. So, 2 minus 1, it equals to 1. So, invisible na yan. So, rewrite lang natin 2 times 4x plus 3. Sulat natin siya as ganyan. Then, yung d over dx, which is the derivatives ng 4x plus 3 is 4. Sulat lang natin, times natin dito. Yan. So, distribute lang natin si 2 dito. Ay, mali. Dahil isa muna to, ito muna yung i-distribute natin kay 2. Si 2 kay 4. So, giging 4 times 2, 8 times 4x plus 3. Ayan. Actually, pwede na to. Ito na yung sagot natin. Pero, if gusto nyo pang mas naka-ano pa siya, pwede pa natin siyang i-distribute again. Katulad ng ginawa natin dito. Yan. 8 times 4, it would be 32x plus 8 times 3, it would be 24. Yan. Kung gusto nyo lang mas specific, pero ito, okay na to. Pwede na rin to. So, that is our chain rule.